Hello friends. Welcome to my fashion makeup and hair box channel. Today we will talk about how to use lemon juice to lighten hair. Ingredients. For normal hair: 1 cup lemon juice, freshly squeezed, about 4 lemons. 1/4 cup warm water. And, for dry hair: 1 cup lemon juice, freshly squeezed, about 4 lemons. 1/4 cup conditioner. Method 1. To lighten normal hair: mix the lemon juice and the warm water together in a measuring cup. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the mixture onto your hair until your hair is damp. You'll get the best results if you spray the lemon juice on unwashed hair. Sit out in the sun for 1 to 2 hours. Make sure that you wear sunscreen on your skin to protect yourself from getting a sunburn. Take a shower and apply a deep conditioner to your hair. The citric acid in lemons is very drying, so you'll need to rejuvenate your hair after lightening it with lemon juice. Repeat the process weekly until your hair turns the color that you want. You may have to spray the lemon juice on your hair up to 4 times before you notice a significant difference. Method 2. To lighten dry hair: combine the lemon juice and the conditioner in a small bowl. You may want to use a whisk to mix the ingredients together. Place a towel around your shoulders. Scoop the mixture out with your hand and rub it over your hair. Then, use a wide tooth comb to comb the lemon juice and conditioner through your hair. Sit in the sun for 1 to 2 hours. Slather on some sunscreen to keep yourself from getting a sunburn. Rinse the lemon juice and conditioner off in the shower. Shampoo and condition your hair as you normally would. Repeat the regimen once per week until you notice a difference. Then, keep repeating the lightening process until you get the color that you want. Finished. If you like my fashion makeup and hair box channel, please do subscribe to my channel.